Got a first.st file from Visual FoxPro database development environment. This is a documenting wizard list file used in FoxPro project documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Visual FoxPro documenting wizard list files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the want.st error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. Want.st. Files are list files used by Microsoft Visual FoxPro, a database development environment now discontinued. They contain ordered lists of project items, documentation references, or wizard-generated content used by Visual FoxPro's documenting wizard to organize and produce project documentation for FoxPro applications. Want.st documenting wizard list files typically use plain text format with structured entries, listing project files, documentation items, or wizard-managed references. The format may include relative paths file types, descriptions, and ordering information used by Visual FoxPro's documentation generation tools to produce comprehensive project documentation outputs. Windows often defaults to associating Want.st with the Microsoft Visual FoxPro solution from Microsoft Corporation. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows provides partial information, so understanding the contents requires relevant tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the Want.st file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Visual FoxPro first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If your Want.st file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the Want.st problem. First, opening in Visual FoxPro. Install Microsoft Visual FoxPro 9.0 or earlier compatible version if available from legacy Microsoft sources. Launch Visual FoxPro and use the documenting wizard to load the first.st file. The wizard processes the list to generate documentation in various formats, covering project structure files and database elements for FoxPro applications. Next, viewing as text. Open the first file in any text editor like Notepad++ since the format is text-based. View the list contents directly to understand which project items are referenced. This inspection helps when migrating FoxPro projects, or when Visual FoxPro is not available, enabling manual extraction of project structure information. Finally, migrating project data. Since Visual FoxPro is discontinued, migrate FoxPro projects to modern development platforms. Use Sedna or VFP-related migration tools to extract project data and database content. Modern alternatives include Microsoft.NET with SQL Server, PostgreSQL with various ORMs, or specialized FoxPro migration services for complete project transitions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.